Do you hate yourself and don't care what you eat? Well, Snacksters is here with a tandoori chicken flatbread. Look how good they make it look on the packet. Here is your ingredients and your nutritional facts. Basically nothing good in this thing at all. It is a cooked and sliced seasoned reformed tandoori flavoured chicken meat served in a soft flatbread with a sachet of tandoori style mayonnaise. Well, I'll tell you now, the mayonnaise is not going on here because I don't like mayo. But let's wow. Wow. Pulling out all the frickin' stops for the meat, aren't they? It frickin' stinks as well. It royally stinks of spiciness. Alright, let's microwave this for a minute and I'll be back. It's hot now. Okay, just to add some local thing, let's cut this thing in half. Oh. Food. Yeah, it stinks. Okay, here goes my... Oh, it's literally leaking liquid. You can see the moisture leaking from it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can't even swallow that. That is generally worse than a doner kebab. Oh, Jesus. That is awful. I mean, taste the tandoori chicken, but why does this exist? Why? Rating, well, I'm just going to have to give it a freaking 0 out of 10. Completely not recommended at all to ever eat, ever. Thank you for watching this review. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't try this, and I'll see you all later. Bye.